Hey guys, happy new year. Jam here, and today I just wanted to express my gratitude for you guys. I mean, you guys are awesome. You've been subscribing to my channel, commenting and supporting me, guys, and I haven't even uploaded since like late September, October, guys, but my community has still been growing. I've been getting a lot of views, and I just wanted to say that I appreciate you guys, especially for that the cash envelope system video that I did. I think it was like September. I've really gotten a lot of engagement and subscribership from that particular video. So for all of you guys who appreciated that content, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I just wanted to give you guys an update on this channel and a little bit about myself. I have a small baby, so it was a little difficult trying to work out how I was going to do the videos and edit and all this other stuff and still take care of my house and my husband and, you know, all that things. I'm sure you guys are busy too, so you understand, but I believe I've gotten a little more organized, so I'm going to be planning to post a video weekly for you guys. So at least one video per week is my goal, to share with you some of my favorite tips and tricks on how I budget and plan and just manage the household and everything. I'm going to be doing some budget with me videos, some plan with me videos, cook with me, menu planning, all those things that I am excited about. I do it every week. That's what, you know, it helps keep us on budget. It helps our household to run smoothly, things like that. I plan on sharing with you guys. So if you guys enjoy content like that, then make sure you subscribe, turn your notification bell on, and stay tuned for what I have to share with you. And if you guys have channels yourself, please share them down below in the comment section. I would love to view some of you guys' videos and, you know, just engage with you guys more. And I'm not going to ramble on, but yeah, I just wanted to share my appreciation with you guys. You guys are so awesome. I can't believe I have like 70 some subscribers at this moment. I truly appreciate your support, and I believe I'm going to do a giveaway at my 100th subscriber celebration, so stay tuned for that. Share my videos if you find them valuable, and yeah, that's all I want to say. I hope you guys have a wonderful, blessed 2019. All right, bye.